Hello children, how are you all doing? See this poem. You know this poem very well. What is the title of the poem? Yes, the title of the poem is The Morning Rush. Children, you learned this poem very nicely. So today, let us do revision based on this poem. Here we are doing some multiple choice questions. In multiple choice questions, a question and its four options are given. You have to read the question, understand it and then tick the correct answer. Now let me tell you how to do this. Let's read question number 1. What did the boy use to brush his teeth? Question number 1. What did the boy use to brush his teeth? Options: A. Toothbrush, B. Soap, C. Comb and D. Towel. Now children, what do you use to brush your teeth? Yes, we use toothbrush to brush our teeth. Now in this poem also, the boy used toothbrush to brush his teeth. So correct answer is toothbrush. So tick the correct answer, toothbrush. Yes. Now children, here you will not tick all the options like this. No, never. Never tick all the options. You have to tick only one correct option. That is the correct answer. Okay. So let's do it again. What is the correct answer? Toothbrush. So let's tick the correct answer, that is toothbrush. Okay, understood children? Now let's go to the question number 2. Which activity did the boy skip? Let's read it again. Question number 2. Which activity did the boy skip? Options. Given options are A. Eating breakfast, B. Taking a bath, C. Brushing teeth and D. Combing hair. Now here children, in this poem, the boy woke up late in the morning and then he had very little time to get ready for the school. So in a hurry and due to the morning rush, he forgot to brush his teeth and then he skipped his bath also. So children, here actually he forgot two activities: brushing teeth and taking a bath. But when he gobbled up his breakfast in a hurry, he realized, oh, I have not brushed my teeth. And then he brushed his teeth later on. So children, the boy skipped the activity, that is taking a bath. But brushing his teeth, this activity he performed later on. Okay, got it children? Skip means not done. So which activity he has not performed or not done is the taking a bath. He didn't take his bath. He skipped that activity, taking a bath. But later on he performed, which activity he performed later on? Brushing his teeth. Okay, so here let's read the question again. Which activity did the boy skip? A. Eating breakfast. B. Taking a bath. C. Brushing teeth. And D. Combing hair. So here in this poem the boy skipped which activity? Taking a bath. Yes. So correct answer is taking a bath. Which activity did the boy skip? Taking a bath. Take the correct answer, children. Yes, very good. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Which activity did the boy forget first but perform later on? Let's read the question again. Which activity did the boy forget first but perform later on? Just now I told you, children, the boy forgot actually 2 activities: brushing his teeth and taking a bath. But later on, after eating or after gobbling his breakfast, he realized he had not brushed his teeth, and so brushing teeth, this activity the boy performed later on. He brushed his teeth later on. So let's tick the correct answer, brushing teeth. Okay children, understood? Which activity the boy skipped? Taking a bath. And which activity the boy performed later on? Brushing teeth. Remember this, children. Okay. Now let's go to the question number 4. What did the boy pick up off the floor? Let's read it again. Question number 4. What did the boy pick up off the floor? Let's read the options. A. Comb. B. School bag. C. Uniform. And D. Toothbrush. Now here children, when the boy woke up late in the morning, he just went to the bathroom, washed his face to wash away his sleepiness. Then in a hurry, he went to the bedroom to get himself dressed, means to wear the uniform. Then he gobbled up his breakfast. Here he skipped his taking a bath activity. After gobbling up the breakfast, he realized he has to brush his teeth. So later on he brushed his teeth. Then he combed his hair, and then what he did? He picked up school bag off the floor. So what did the boy pick up off the floor? The boy picked up school bag off the floor. So let's tick the correct option, school bag. SCHOOL, school. BAG, bag, school bag. Okay children. Now question number 5. Where did the boy go to wash away his sleepiness? Let's read the question again. Question number 5. Where did the boy go to wash away his sleepiness? Yes, he went to the bathroom to wash his face and to wash away his sleepiness. Now let's read the options first. A. Kitchen. B. Bedroom. C. Bathroom. And D. Living room. So the boy went to the bathroom to wash his face and to wash away his sleepiness. So the correct answer is bathroom. So tick the correct answer, children. BATHROOM, bathroom. Okay, now let's go to the question number 6. When did the boy wake up to get ready for school? Let's read the question again. When did the boy wake up to get ready for school? When did the boy wake up? Yes, he woke up late in the morning. But let's read the options first. A. Early in the morning. B. Afternoon. C. Late in the morning. And D. Evening. So in this poem, the boy woke up late in the morning. So the correct answer is late in the morning. So tick the correct answer. Yes, very good. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 7. Where did the boy go to get himself dressed? Let's read the question again. Where did the boy go to get himself dressed? Let's read the options. A. Kitchen. B. Bedroom. C. Bathroom. And D. Living room. Now children, here the boy went to the kitchen to gobble up his breakfast. He went to the bedroom to get himself dressed. Yes, to wear his uniform. So the boy went to the bedroom to get himself dressed. So the correct answer is bedroom. So tick the correct answer. Yes, very good. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 8. Which activity did the boy perform after picking up his school bag? Let's read the question again. Which activity did the boy perform after picking up his school bag? Let's read the options. A. Washing face. B. Getting dressed. C. Going to school. And D. Wearing uniform. Now children, here the boy woke up late in the morning. Then he washed his face. Then he dressed up in the bedroom. Then he gobbled up his breakfast. He skipped his bath. Yes. And then after the breakfast he realized he has to brush his teeth. So later on he performed the activity brushing his teeth. And then he combed his hair. And then he picked up his school bag and coat. And where did he go? Yes, he went to the school finally. So, which activity did the boy perform after picking up his school bag? Going to school. Yes. So, tick the correct answer. Going to school. Now, next question is question number 9. What did the boy do looking in the mirror? Let's read again. What did the boy do looking in the mirror? Let's read the options. A. Ate breakfast. B. Took a bath. C. Brushed his teeth. And D. Combed his hair. Now children, what you do looking in the mirror? Yes, you comb your hair like this by looking in the mirror. So in the poem also the boy combed his hair looking in the mirror. So correct answer is combed his hair. So let's tick the correct answer. Children, tick the correct answer. The correct answer is combed his hair. The boy combed his hair looking in the mirror. Very good. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 10. Last question. Where did the boy go with his school bag? Let's read the question again. Where did the boy go with his school bag? Let's read the options. A. Garden. B. School. C. Mall. And D. Market. Now children, when the boy picked up his school bag and coat, he went to the school. Yes, very good children. Now you know the poem very nicely. You know the question answers also now. Very good. So correct answer is school. 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 In the garden you go to play. In the mall you go with your parents to have some fun. And in the market generally we go to buy fruits and vegetables. So the boy took his school bag or picked up his school bag and coat, and then he went to the school. So children, do the practice of all these questions. Do the practice of reading the questions and tick the correct answers. And keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.